My drone finally arrived from China. It is E68 mini drone and I want to try my hands on it to fly the drone for the first time. With no experience as an amateur, myself and a colleague, Kezo Studio TV, went to an open park in order to fly this drone. Guess what? There are other guys who came around and brought their drones in order to fly same time. But eventually, it's not funny. The drone went away. We lost it.
Oh my god. So he's just looking for his drone. It's to run like a marathon.
So this is how it happens. We got the application ready set up, kbjofibes ready in order to start to control the drone. Everything set up on the mobile phone and calibration done. We set on the park. Here we go.
Click recording.
Click start.
Anybody?
Click recording there. This is how we train ourselves. Alright, ready? Ready? On. There we go. Ready to go. You said I should connect. Yes, I have to connect my Wi-Fi. What's it called? The Wi-Fi of this. I've got several. Several Wi-Fi, but which one? One for this drone. The one for this drone is what I want to. I'm looking for the Wi-Fi of this drone. Let's get closer. Not GBH, not Techno, Canon 12 here. Yeah, still looking for the Wi-Fi. Pause. To on this when you're ready. Be sure this line is actually flashing, means it's on. So it's facing this way. So what the fly this way. The wind, not sure. So I'm looking for the wire for its connection. Trying to connect it. So it's kbjojovibes something. Open it. Connect it to this one. Now it is connected to KY1080 0500 something 02. That's the Wi-Fi for this this way. Now having connected it, I think we now go back to open the app. The app is kbjofibes. I click start. See the reaction on the. Now I click camera. So it means we can see whatever is in there. See, have a look. Where is it? Camera, because the camera is placed down, we will try to move the camera down. Look, this camera. Hey, someone is flying. See another drone. Oh, just crashed. Someone is also flying. Oh, those guys are flying their own as well. So we are just we are trying our own. We're going to pick. Let's see. We're training ourselves too. Oh yeah, oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. Come down, hello. Action. Press on. You don't go record it. On. I call for more. Now I've on this. Oh, now record it.
Wow.
They are taking off. So it's moving. I have to release it up a bit.
Careful. It's careful, it's going.
I want to call it back.
Pass it, pass it.
On. Ah. On. Alright. wake up now. I press on. Okay, ready to on. See, action, on. Oh, drone to tackle. Drone says you know one go. Drone to land it.
Just keep pressing. Oh my God!
On. Jọ̀ọ́, nto da. Kini o te gbé signal. O te agbára mo ti pa. No, le record mo tete my practice no. Now, but kini tí wàá fi gbéra bí báyìí wà sí ńbẹ̀ to show.
No.
Akwa bí báyìí. Àbẹ́lẹ̀ náà fi gbéra bí.
Lẹ́yìn tọ́tù ni.
Tí a fi lọ sókè.
Tọ́tù nìyẹn. O máa rẹ́tẹ̀ ọ́ bí máa.
Olùrà ṣe díẹ̀.
Tí wàá tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ báyìí. Tí a lọ sókè wò.
Okay. Irọ́ lónà àti fẹ́ ṣe ní ìyá ọ̀fọ̀. Kò tẹ̀ ọ̀fọ̀. Ìgbẹ́rẹ̀ jẹ́ kó àwọn kíní kan tó wá apá irú ilé tó wà ń bí báyìí ni ò ṣó.
Ṣé àwọn aróyìn?
Àròkọ wà ní tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ó nìyẹn.
Kò ṣó apá.
Aróyìn yẹn ilé.
Okay, ilé yìí ni màá hàn.
And meanwhile, the other guy's drones is flying away.
Ilé ọ̀gbọ́ ẹ.
No, you can't lose it. Just keep controlling it. Push it back. Stay where you are. No, you don't need to chase it. Just use the control. Focus on the control. Focus on the control. Control it back. No, you can't go.
Wọ́n lẹ̀ ọ́ ó ti lọ.
And that's how their drone gone away. So nowhere to be found. The guys were chasing it, and that's it. Oh my God, I pity those guys. It's not easy. I give credit to those guys who know how to fly drone. So you don't need to laugh at us as we are trying our best to, fly drone for the first time. We catch up, like a friend would say, catch up. So we catch up as time goes on. Please, if you know how to train somebody else or share the experience with somebody, I know you guys find this video funny. Please, if you don't mind, try to let me know your comments on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll catch you up in the next vlog.
It's run like a marathon.